What do you do with your private part? I will cover it. I will protect it. I will tell it to my mommy. I will say it to my daddy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. Hey, my people, wanna be like Baba Ijesha. He dey like to dey take advantage. If you na see wetin I see. Because of all this plenty homosexual thing, sexual harassment wey dey everywhere. My people, no be small matter. Now, I mean now, schools don't start. In fact, they don't start to teach school children songs so that it go, you understand, it go dey inside their brain. It go dey help them to dey remember. Say if person touch you anyhow, especially your private part, go tell your mama, go tell your papa. I say I go bring a corner side though. For now we get children too. I beg make them learn this song. Are they very serious? So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
I will tell it to my mommy. I will tell it to my daddy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you touch my private part, I will tell. I will tell it to my mommy. I will tell it to my daddy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. What do you do to your private part? I will protect it. I will cover it. I will tell my mommy.
No be smart. Una hear Chineke. Abeg, make the kukuma make this song their national anthem. Yes, I don't know what is the use. Make this song just become this thing. Abeg, leave that Arise Your Compatriots first, may it rest. Because the country is in danger. Arise Your Compatriots right now, no dey help anybody. So abeg, make these children learn something where anywhere they go, if they just, you understand? This is good. It dey funny. I no go like even now. I always say turn on my mind. It dey funny, but it is a good thing. I support her. I stand behind them 100% because see, you need to teach children when they dey young. We live in a sick country. This country, not be everybody is well. Oh. This Naija, not be everybody well. Uncle, my brother's uncle, my sister's this one. Now like that they start. Before you know, they don't start the touch. This one don't start the put hand. That one, the other. You understand? Make them let say nobody must put hand under that place. Very, very important. If they touch, because if you don't say they watch me, you better make your children start to learn this thing. In fact, I don't think I'm very well now. Maybe they even update their, what they call it, biology syllabus. These children need to know, my people, we don't pass those days where you go the parents. In fact, make I even give you this warning before I go continue with on top. If you know say you dey part of the people where you won't tell your pikin in private part, you go they call her ntan or tolo or those. I beg, call a spade. The period where we dey continue they do hide and seek. This part is called this one. No, if it's breast, tell us in a breast. Because if you tell her, for instance, you tell her say na tolo na that downside. Oh yeah, uncle go touch the place. Uncle go tell her say no, this place is not tolo, is this place. They go they change. See, tell them this place is called this. This place is called this. Very, very important. To all, in fact, not be just secondary school matter because some people now they tell me say, they are too small. Nobody is too small. Not be 7 years old girl they rape. Who is too small? I been at the 4 years old where happen 10 years. They rape them anyhow. So no tell me say somebody is small. Because I go even appreciate say if una fit even teach them how to bite and run fast. Yes, we need to protect our children. Especially the small ones. It is very important. Teach them. If uncle touch you here, fine. See, hey God, any asha, I never born. So this one, hey, una fit imagine how my own will just be. It's necessary. It is necessary, my people. And not be just the front side, though, that back side too. Nothing must enter there. See, we need to start telling them everything. And this one now they bring us back to waiting. I always they tell parents. Create atmosphere where your children go fit talk to now about anything and everything. Because this song when they sing, it will be a waste. Imagine your pikin go school now, go learn this song. Ngwanu, he reach house. Somebody don't touch am. Somebody don't put hand for somewhere. How this pikin go tell you, mommy, this uncle or this brother touch me like this? When every time you are too strict. Any small thing, you don't dey shout. How do I tell you? Abeg, create atmosphere wey go allow your children and yourself, like e go una go fit rapport, una go fit communicate, una understand? Na wetin bring me here o, you understand? So abeg, if you need to play this song again, press backwards and play it. Make your children learn am. Very, very important. And abeg, as una dey help me share this video, all school authorities, whether you be principal or counselor or whatever your title is, as long as say you be school authority, it is very necessary. Make this thing start. Whether na biology or any, start dey teach them all these things. It is very, very important, because the people now ignorance dey kill us. Ignorance. Some children now, they don't even know. To them na normal thing. Why? Because na so they grow up. Nobody tell them say, if they touch you here, you no good. If they touch you here, you good. Nobody tell them. So many of them say go keep quiet. We don't reach that time. We don't reach that level. At least thank God for all these people who don't misuse our children. You understand? They don't open our eye for better things. So now it is in our own power and our time now to provide this security for these children. Now I bring this matter here. Yes, so I beg, we need share am. Every school must take, in fact, serious action concerning this matter. It is serious, so no just laugh then pass and come out. It is very, very serious. If you know say you get pikin or you get sister wey get pikin, anyhow, all children are our children. You no need to dey related. Abeg, may we help to save lives. And yes, my people, now go soon get new TV presenter for this platform. Guess where she's from? I go give you this same exponent now from Southeast States. Yes. So if you dey think of anybody, make a note for the comment section. And still, I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Wetin be your opinion? This national anthem, nah, I don't call it a national anthem. Oh, yes, it good for them. Abi, it no good. Still drop off on that side. And make sure say you share this video one more time. And don't forget to click on that bell so that you no go miss interesting matters like this one where you just hear. Stay tuned for our next story.